J'aime sentir la musique.
Nam Diamond Market.
Et la musique classique, ça vous fait quelque chose?
Pas tellement. La musique classique, c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz, c'est pour le corps.
Semua harus disingkat.
Oke, meja carane.
So we're at apa ini namanya? Some sort of convenience store trying to activate our new climate cards. They were only how much? 3,000 each. Yeah.
For the physical card, yes.
For the physical cards, 3,000 each. But then I guess we have to put money in it. Okay. Amanda's figuring it out because she's fluent in Korean.
I took lessons on Duolingo.
Yep. And now we're trying to find eggs.
Squid legs slice. I was not aware that squids had legs.
Yeah, valid. Squid legs. I think is it banana milk? It looks like banana milk.
Kirain Yakult, gak jadi.
Yakult gede banget.
Lah ini soalnya ya, ini Yakult bukan? Nih, kayak gini. Ya kan?
Is
It's a
it?
probiotic drink.
Oh,
I want to try one.
I feel like this looks like banana milk.
I
but
think it is.
It
This
doesn't-
one says light, so maybe it's like low fat milk. or
light
something.
banana.
Oh, banana
Ooh.
milk. This one's cute. So cute. Baskin Robbins is milk. Great.
Wow.
I was not aware of all of the innovation in the dairy world.
I hear like most of the population of Korea is also lactose intolerant, FYI, but they have so many dairy products.
Nope, I'm still just kidding.
I might get the probiotic. Oh, is it? Why is this one different?
Mau kan? Cool. Okay, I'll just get eggs and some squid legs.
Squid legs.
Squid legs. Karena shrimp. Ini tapi
Yeah.
banyak banget gak? Enggak lah ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 eggs.
It is a lot, Z.
God
I
damn.
feel like we have leftovers as well.
I eat 2
Tapi
eggs
ya,
a
nggak
day.
apa-apa lah.
Enggak kan kita bertiga.
Yeah, yaudah, let's just get it. When was the World Cup here? You're so cute! Lagi! Ini marah.
Ya ampun. Juno biar bisa ngerasain scuba diving.
Yellow. Oh,
Ini juga lucu nih.
Oh, these are cute for oleh-oleh. 2,000 in
Apa sih itu bookmark?
bookmarks. They're so pretty.
Iya.
You're in it already. We are at
tak mau,
the.
I tak mau.
What was it? I don't remember. 안녕하세요. What was the name of the market?
Nam
Nam Diamond Market. And the original goal was to find myself a phone case because, as you can see, it's kind of rough.
Wait, did you want to get your winter hat?
Ah, there was a really cute winter hat. But also, I don't know, we couldn't find actually any phone cases that were cute. There's a lot of cute little charms and hangers and things.
Penting banget ada sikat buat tamu.
Oh yeah, that is actually quite important. I don't have one.
Iya, and it's silicone.
Yeah.
Apa beli ya? Skincare macam-macam gini nih, Ray.
Oh yeah. 60%. You wanna go inside?
Iya. Disuruh.
Whoa, there's so many. Yeah.
What is it?
Pine nuts.
Pine nuts.
Pine nuts.
Oh.
Yeah. Coach Tabby.
Boleh nanti foto aja.
Kalian tinggal di screenshot.
Ibu di sini Hani.
Wow.
Itu bisa the pancake bisa we can eat it for breakfast.
Okay, yeah, fair.
I brought my box. So I can get my egg. Tapi di sini.
I think you're supposed to make it for me.
Probably.
And then you make most of them.
Banyak yang isinya. Ini bakso.
Okay, there goes one.
Ini mau di video jadi
No,
berapa?
no, no.
Mau di video jadi berapa? And I take a picture of your karya.
Padahal lapar sampai pusing gitu. Apa sih? Geli ya. Bagus on your phone. Ini bagi ya. Dah.
Tapi nggak mau ditolak ini. Jadi maunya apa?
photo shoot from home. Okay. Good afternoon from a sunny Seoul. As you can see here. Super sunny day. What did we do? We stayed in until the afternoon and then we went for lunch. Tadi kita lunch di mana ya? Nope. No one remembers where we had lunch. Oh, we went to Lotte World Mall. And then we walked around there and then had lunch. Ibu had cold noodles, I had beef short rib noodles, and Amanda had spicy beef noodles, and it was really good. And then we bought some sweet potato bread, and now we're just walking around trying to find the library. Lansia ku.
Me and my old age. Thanks for being here, guys.
Of Seoul.
Oh, what is that?
Iya, apa namanya, ada satu kompleks. I wrote it down.
Ada hijrah. 12, 11, 10. Where is it, Ray? Is it there?
No, the first.
Shooting will start soon. Udah, mau pakai topi.
Oh ya, aja kali.
Satu yang nggak pakai topi.
Yeah, Amanda, come look. I think everyone looks alright. See?
Iya.
Put whatever on and then no.
Kirain. I want the dino.
To get the content going.
I'm inside the mouth of a dinosaur.
Oh, and then there's the body. I gotta get it.
Bentar. Kok nggak ini sih? I find the best ones, you guys. Wait. Aduh, I get really ini. Apa namanya? I'm so bothered by things touching my neck.
Ray, why are you
Yeah, lepas.
I'm gonna get the body of it.
Okay, there we go.
Come inside.
Ada mami.
Orang banyak tapi.
Yeah? Oh yeah.
안녕하세요. Could I have sugar cane? Sugar cane? Yeah.
Kain ko 6,000 dito. Ini banyak.
Oh! Oops, I think I broke that one.
Oh, this is a green one.
It's green.